What is going on? My name is Nareth and welcome to another video. So style him now. Huckberry is becoming one of my favorite brands. They have been one of the leading brands in quality and sustainability. Without further ado, let's take a look at some of their summer haul, including some of the Huckberry exclusive shirts. So starting off the list, we have the Newport hemp polo shirt. So this is what the shirt look like. It is 55% hemp, 45% cotton. The good thing about hemp fabrics is that they're really great at filtering out UV lights against sun damages and cancers. And the cotton fabric offer very breathable and comfort wear. They are wrinkle free. It featured 3 buttons here at the top of the placket, and it has a relaxed color. The subtle lime stripe on this polo shirt is perfect for destination wear or beach wear, but they're also great for work as well. And I walked the street for about 3.5 hours and I really enjoyed the comfort that it provides. It's very breathable in those kind of hot weather, but they were also very soft and comfortable as well to wear. Up next, we have this very beautiful Machu terry shirt. Check it out. Look at how beautiful this design is. This is designed by OAS. This is made out of terry cotton, made in Portugal. This is basically the same fabric that companies use to make towels. I mean, it's basically a very beautiful towel fabric that is cut into t-shirt form. I mean, it has a very beautiful design and pattern, really beautiful color. And one of the advantage for terry cotton is that they seems a little bit thick, but they are very breathable. They're very soft and absorbent. Check out the color. It's designed to be very breathable. One of the main reason is because of the color. It's relaxed cotton with a very wide open chest area. One of my favorite thing about this shirt is the beautiful color combination. It's a mix of white and red. It just goes really well together. It's basically ready to wear when you go on a beach for a summer vacation. Pairing that with a shorts and you're pretty much ready to go. I did wear this when I went out. My first thought is that it's a little bit thick, so my concern is that it's hot and I'm gonna be sweating in this. Honestly, as I walk around in them, I already forgot that I have this shirt. So this is the OAS Machu short sleeve terry shirt. And up next, we have the OAS Matakek short sleeve terry shirts. And this is the Huckberry exclusive. Can't get them anywhere else. This is the same fabric as the Machu short sleeve terry shirt, except that this is in more of a Moroccan vibe. Same as the Machu, they're very soft, absorbent, they are very breathable. These are designed to be an oversized Moroccan vibe kind of shirt because of the design. You can wear them as it is, or you can wear a shirt underneath it. Preferably wear them with a white shirt underneath to make the color pop out a little bit more. When you think of Moroccan, you think of like very vibrant, colorful, bright color, as well as the pattern on the shirt. This is more like a terrace kind of a hall. That little arch area in the door hallway, they are perfect for the summer, and it's something that you don't normally see out in public. If you want to be a little bit unique, a little bit different, this shirt is perfect to wear. And coming up next, we have the Alex Crane Cham linen pants. These are 100% French linen. I got this in bone color, and this pants is made in India. Everything that is used to make this pants is very environmental friendly, from biodegradable fabric softener to the Corozal button. For those who don't know what Corozal button is, they are these buttons right here. They are made from the Takura tree. People nickname them the vegetable ivory because they are the preferred material to use to make button. You get 3 buttons here at the flies area, so no zipper. These linen pants are very soft and they are super light, which is perfect for the summer. And they are tailored to be slim as well. These are perfect beach wear or anywhere that is hot. Very tough, very durable. And I just love these simple design. There's not much going on in this pants. I mean, they just focus more on the quality. And coming up, this is the tailor stitch Morse linen shorts. These are made to be very durable and it has a lot of strength to it. Even just by the feeling of the material, you know that they are very durable. These are made from cotton and linen. You get a mix of toughness and softness all in one. Most shorts that you buy, they either come with 1 or 2 stitch, but for this tailor tailor stitch Morse linen short. They come with 3 stitches throughout the shorts just to reinforce that strength. They feature angle front pockets for easy access, and then on the back they feature 2 welt pockets. One thing that I love about this shorts is the zipper it slides easily compared to a lot of shorts in the past that I've worn. It has very minimal design. Overall construction is very seamless, from the stitching to the welting to the design of the pocket. Everything just flows really nicely for this shorts. The construction is to be as your heavy duty you'll wear whether for work or anywhere that might require a lot of movement. This is the tailor stitch Morse linen shorts. And the next one we have is the cotton line shorts. This is what it looks like. It is also 8" in length. These are made out of cotton and linen, so it has this very soft, very breathable fabric. This is made for easygoing, laid back kind of activities. They are very light and very comfortable, making it the ultimate shorts to wear for comfort. Similar to the tailor stitch, it has very minimal design for a seamless look, and this shorts feature the adjustable drawstrings. One thing to keep in mind, there's no fly open here, and it also features well stitched pocket in the back as well, along with the angle pocket. Overall, this short is, like I said, it's really light, it's really soft. It's just perfect for summer wear. Coming up next, we have the Flint and Tinder 365 belt 2.0. This belt is made with high quality full grain leather. It is made here in the US, and it has a 1.5 width in diameter. I wear a size 31 and I got this in a size 34. It still feels a little bit short to me, so it's held together with the brass metal clip here and then the brass button, ensuring that nothing will come undone. Just from the way it feels alone, you can tell that this has a lot of strength and it has the quality behind it to ensure that nothing will come undone. And having worn cheaper leather in the past, eventually it starts to crack and then the leather will start to fall apart. I can tell that this belt has a very high quality behind it. It's made from like a single strips of leather, so it's not combined with any other leathers. The leather is pretty thick as well, so you got a really strong strength behind this leather. These are one of their more popular belts. So this is the Flint and Tinder 365 belt 2.0. On the next summer haul that we have is the Saucony Shadow Sneaker 5000. This is a true size, so I got this in a 9.5. My first impression of this shoes is that it's very light. It has a very strong mesh. It has amazing cushion. On top of the fashionable look, this sneaker make it perfect to wear for people who is very active on the daily. It has amazing soft in and out sole to create a foundation that is comfortable to walk in, and the outsole provide really strong stable reinforcement. And this sneaker also come with an extra shoelace. One thing that I love about wearing them to work out is it has this really strong grip here at the bottom of the outsole. And I love the cushion because I wear them to work out a lot. It has a really strong foundation to just keep everything together. This is one of their more popular line on Huckberry, and I can see why it has really great performance. And lastly, to top off my summer haul, I have this 45-liter BELLROY duffel bag weekender. This is definitely one of my favorite haul of this video. First of all, this comes with a 3-year warranty. It comes in the shape of a barrel here, and I must say that the utility on this bag is outstanding. I had to go out of town this weekend. I had to pack a lot of stuff in it. I didn't even have to worry about where to keep all of my stuff just because of the amount of pockets and utilities that they offer. So it has a 15-inch height with a 25.6 width and a 15.7 length. So the back come with 2 straps here that you have the option of carrying. If you want, they also come with a detachable shoulder strap. The outer pocket, it comes with 2 slip pocket as well. You can see here. So the first pocket is right here, and then the second pocket is right here. And then you also have a key clip. One of the things that I enjoy about this duffel bag is how easy the zipper is to slide back and forth. On the back of this bag, you have a luggage slider. You can slide this bag over the luggage, and then the luggage will hold everything in place. First of all, look at how beautiful the color is. Tan color with faded maroon colors. I mean, this is what the bag look like. The bag features 2 very big slip pocket should you need an extra pocket for like some of your slimmer items. On top of it, you could just slide open the pocket and then you have an extra compartment. I'm very blown away by the amount of utility this bag offers. And check out a little pull tab on the zipper. Really beautiful. Kind of look leathery as well. And then another beautiful logo BELLROY leather tab here. So overall, this bag offers so much utility. Once again, this is the BELLROY duffel bag. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time.